Water birds. There are some birds that swim in water very well. Some of these birds can also fly in the air. These birds are known as water birds. Birds like ducks, geese, swans, and penguins are water birds. All water birds have webbed feet. Water birds also have waterproof feathers. The water birds have waterproof feathers to save themselves from getting wet while swimming. Perching birds. Perching means to rest on something. Birds like crows, parrots, woodpeckers, sparrows, and pigeons are perching birds. They can curl their toes around the tree branch to get a very tight grip of the branch. This grip is so tight that even if the bird perches on a tree and goes to sleep, it would not fall down. Birds of prey. Birds that hunt other birds and animals for food are known as birds of prey. Birds like eagles, hawks, owls, and vultures are all birds of prey. These birds have a very sharp claw on each toe, which is known as a talon. They also have very sharp hooked beaks that they use to eat the flesh of their prey. Scavenger birds. There are some birds of prey that like to feed on dead birds and animals that other birds of prey have hunted. These birds are known as scavengers. Birds like vultures, ravens, and crows are scavenger birds. Scavengers also help to keep our surroundings clean by eating dead animals and trash. Flightless birds. There are some birds that cannot fly. These birds are known as flightless birds. Birds like ostrich, kiwi, penguin, and emu are flightless birds. This is an ostrich. It is a flightless bird. This is the largest bird that is living on the earth. It is very tall and has a very heavy body. It can run very fast. This is an emu. This is a kiwi. Emu and kiwi are flightless birds. Like the ostrich, the emu also can run very fast.